Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you from Tageero, the number one affiliate marketing training where I teach you guys step by step how to start an affiliate marketing business and how to scale your business online with Clickbank and other affiliate network. Today we'll be talking to you about how to choose a product, how to market that product, how to find your best offer and how to scale that offer as well. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, smash the subscribe button. I upload daily videos on how to make money online with Clickbank and many more networks. If you guys are not familiar with Clickbank or not, if you don't have an account with Clickbank, all you gotta do is sign up here and make an account. Clickbank, it's available in over 200 countries and it has been in business for 20 years. So it's the oldest network on the market. It has paid over $4.2 billion, and you can become an affiliate easily by starting to promote. There's also many networks like JVZoo and many more. So if your country is not listed in Clickbank, you can go to other network like JVZoo. All right. So once we come to the Clickbank and we signed up, we come to Marketplace, and then we come to the Marketplace here. Here are the categories that are available in Clickbank. All you gotta do is choose a categories, but you don't choose the categories blindly. You gotta choose categories or that you have passionate about. For example, if you're into cooking and you like to cook and you're interested in cooking, then you gotta promote cooking products because obviously you're aware of the net of the niche and you're passionate about it. If you are into the education and you like the education system, then you gotta promote education system as well in health and fitness. So this is what you gotta do, and it's so great if you do something you're passionate about because you can do this for long term. If you are just promoting for money, then you might not see that money coming in. So for me, I personally like into promoting e-business and e-marketing because that's what I'm passionate about. That's what I like, and this is what you have to do. Now, I don't suggest you guys to promote the first thing that you can see, which is called the CP, which is Clickbank University. It has 66, but it's okay to promote it. But still, you need to make research about the product and all this kind of stuff. So my favorite tips for you guys is to come to the date edit marketplace and then scroll that into the last 3 months so that you know that the product is new to the market and it's not saturated and you can start promoting. Still, once you find this, you should not even promote it because now what all you gotta do is check the gravity, which is 43, which I like to promote anything that is above 30 gravity so that you can make the maximum of your uh, income. You can check all the gravities here, and for example this has 34, still you can promote it, which you can make money with it. Now all you gotta do is find the product and then start promoting. For this video, I'm going to show you the product that I've been promoting for a while, which is called the 12-minute system. I promote these two products, 12-minute system and Commission Hero. Now for this video, I'm going to promote the Commission Hero and also demonstrate how you can use this product and promote it. Devon Brown, he's the super affiliate, has been doing Clickbank for many years, and he knows what he's doing. There's over 3,400 people that are promoting this product. You can click here to join his JV partner list, and this is the offer how you can get the money from. For example, this is how you can earn the residual income from this. There's gonna be the low tier, which is gonna be the 9.95, which you'll be getting $4.5. That's gonna be 50% commission. And there's gonna be the OTO, which is gonna be three OTOs. The first one is gonna be 39. Second one is gonna be 76, 77, and then there's gonna be a monthly recurring, which is gonna be 47, and then there's gonna be the upsells, which is gonna be down there. Now, how do you promote this? All you gotta do is come up here and then click the affiliate links and the swipes. Now, you gotta click the swipes and then get your swipes. Before we get the swipes, what we gotta do is come to our builder system or landing page builder, which I choose is called Builderall, and then all we gotta do is build a landing page and then connect our Aweber, which is gonna be showing you today as well. Once this loads up, now we have this simple, very easy to use builder called Builderall. And if you are signing up to Builderall using my link down in the description, I'll be giving you this template for free that you can add it into your Aweber and then start tweaking if you guys want to. Now this is going to be very simple. It's just going to be how to make money $100 to $1,000 a day, and then they're going to fill their email and their name, and then it's going to be added into your Aweber, which is going to be my number one recommendation if you guys are into the affiliate system. There's two things that you need to, which I recommend to build a recurring or residual income with this affiliate marketing. The first thing what you got to do is find the offer, and then the second thing what you got to do is have an autoresponder, which is, in this case, we are talking about Aweber. It's by far the best one that I've been using for so while. This is one of my Aweber account, which I have 422 subscribers on this. Now what you got to do is get the Aweber down in the description, and then the second thing what you have to do to build income from this is going to be a builder or a landing page builder or sales page. So builder is very cheap. You can start today, 30 days free trial, and DM me or comment down that you have signed up using my link, and I'm gonna send you this template to your email or to whatever you like. All right, and then also what you got to do is use the Aweber. It's gonna be also the link for 30 days free trial will be down in the description, and you can also use that link to start up. So now, since we have this connected, now what we have to do is I'm going to show you today, which is going to be the free which is going to be how to get free traffic, which is going to be the free ad form. I've been using the free ad form for Nova. I've made many money from this. It's pretty much as it says. You can post your affiliate offers and business opportunities, Clickbank promotion, and many more here. There is many people using it. You can get also add your in the premium issue. It's gonna be $5, and then it's gonna be added in here. Very simple. Once you add it here, your offer it's gonna end up in here for 90 days, and you can make good money from this. So now what you have to do is, first thing what you got to do is sign up or sign in if you already have an account. I personally have one. I'm gonna sign in here, and then what you got to do is, as it says here, there's gonna be 90 days, and then you can spend $5, but you can also post for free and add your links here. For example, what you got to do, choose the category. It's gonna be business opportunities, title, and what I do usually is I come to the swipes, and then once I come to the swipes, I add in here. So for now, we're going to choose subject, and then we can say if you can order visa, then you can make money with this money making system. Now we'll add it into the title, and then we come here and then copy this entirely, and then we add it in. Now instead of having that link, we're going to go to Bitly and then add our link. Okay, we copy this. Before we copy it, we should add into the XX your hub link or your ID, and then come click to the Bitly, add the link, add your sweet short-term link, and then paste it here, and then there you go. Very simple. Now since it has been done, you click $0 and then choose United States region. Let's just choose here, and then that's it. Or you get, and then publish. Okay, I by mistake. You can also buy one, but for me, I'm not gonna buy anything. I'm just gonna Something is going on. I don't know why it's not clicking. Just gonna wait until it comes in. All right, for some reason now our ad is published. So now the ad is published. So now we gotta wait until it get accepted. You can add many links here. You can add here. You can add links here, but all of them are paid, and it's very cheap, by the way. So if you buy the $5 from here, and then get it down in here, you'll be making good money, and you get so much traffic, so many links, and so many good money from this. So that is for the free traffic. Now I'm going to show you the paid traffic, which is by far one of the greatest tools that I've been using so while, which is called Udemy. It's solo ads, solo deals. Now you have to buy from people that have many big lists. For example, this person has really big list, around 300,000 subscribers. He has 2,300 likes. That people like his email swipes, and he has 43% people buy from him. They get a sale. So, for example, 100 people buys from him, 43% people they get a sale from this person, and all you gotta do is buy from him, and you click add to cart. And a bonus for you guys, which I'm gonna add, if you use my link, it's gonna be I'm gonna give you free $5 of your purchase. So, if you buy 1,000, for example, you instead of you paying 593, you'll be paying 588. So it's very easy, very nice. So use the link down in the description. Don't forget to use the links for the for the Builderall, and you'll be getting the landing page that I built for you, which is going to be for free. Use my link and then DM me or comment, and I'll give you the landing page. Also, don't forget to use the AWeber to build your business, and you get 30 days free trial. All the links that I'm providing you guys is 30 days free trial, so you guys have nothing to lose. And I'll see you guys if next video. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel for more videos, and leave your suggestions in the comment.